Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to use Style Tuner inside your Midjourney. So basically, the Midjourney Style Tuner allows you to personalize the appearance of your images. It lets you customize and optimize Midjourney's model to consistently generate images with colors, textures, character details, and more to your liking. So basically, if you want to use this Style Tuner, you need to make sure that you are downloaded this Midjourney model version 5.2 to be able to use this feature right here. So the first thing that we're going to use is you need to generate your custom Style Tuner. So create a Style Tuner page using the prompt. So here basically you just need to write here on the message box at the bottom. So like from this example, so /tune and then a prompt shows up, and here you just need to write anything that you want to generate the image. Now once you've done right here, you need to select your preferred option. Once you click on the send button, it will show you this image right here. So here you just need to select an option. First of all, the style directions. So choose the number of image pairs you want to see in your Style Tuner, either 16, 32, 64, or 128 pairs. So basically, if you have a low GPU credits, you should choose the 16 and 32 style directions. Now at the bottom, you'll find the default mode. Select the style mode for your sample images, default or raw. So if you typically do not use this style raw parameter with your prompts, you just need to choose the default mode. Now once you've done right here, you will now submit this option. So just need to go to the next page here. Just need to click on this submit button at the bottom of that options, and another message shows up here. Are you sure? So it will cost a fast hour GPU credit. So your Style Tuner generates a pair of images for each style direction. A Style Tuner with 16 directions will generate 32 images, and a Style Tuner with 120 directions will generate 256 images. So generating these images uses your subscription's fast GPU time. And once you've done, you will then see this message shows up on your screen. If it's ready, the Midjourney bot will send you a direct message with a link to your tuner. So you can see tuner.midjourney.com and the code. So you just need to click the link to open your Style Tuner in your web browser. Now it will show you this image right here, as you can see. So your Style Tuner will show rows of image pairs, each representing a distinct visual direction of your prompt. We have here 3 rows. So the left and right are the pairs of image right here. So click on the image you prefer in each pair. And if you don't feel strongly about either image, leave the empty middle box selected. And now here, once you've done, so at the bottom, you'll find a code. So the Style Tuner generates a code you can add to your prompts with that parameter, as you can see. So basically right here, this code can create your image prompts with that blend of style that you choose. So you just simply click on the copy icon right there, and then you just go back to your Discord and simply paste that link right there. So /imagine and then a prompt, and then you just need to paste that new image command. It will generate new images in the new style that we created. So basically, once you click on the send button, it will show you another image or generate another image with the same style that you choose. So yeah, that's how you basically use your Style Tuner inside your Midjourney. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.